Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very refreshing, simple, dusty rose inspired makeup look which is perfect for the upcoming festival of Raksha Bandhan. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm first starting with some skin prep. So to calm down those dry patches on my face, I'm applying this hydrating primer by Makeup Forever. And to fill in those pores, I'm going for Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And for the rest of my face, I'm applying this hydrating primer by Milani. For foundation, I'm applying the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9. It has a medium coverage and a dewy finish, so it goes perfectly well with my extremely dry skin. And I'm blending this with my damp beauty blender. You can also use a brush if you want more coverage, but I like the sheer finish on my skin, so I chose a beauty blender. For highlighting, I'm using the PAC Cover Concealer in the shades Stark Nude and Beach Sand on my forehead, under eyes, chin and nosy, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I love how lightweight and creamy this concealer is. It doesn't cling on to my dry patches and it looks really natural. Now to add some dimension and structure to my face, I am contouring my cheekbone circumference of my forehead, my jawline and my nosy with the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade medium, and I am using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes to do so. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'm using a bronzer. This one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and it will go right above my contour, and I'm using an angled brush to blend it. To bring some color to my cheeks, I am applying this very pretty rosy shade Pink Satin from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette. I am first depositing it with my angular brush and then I am blending it with my round fluffy brush. And for highlighter, I am dipping into Moonstone by Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics with my highlighting brush. This one is from a drugstore, so it has no name on it. And to set my concealer, I am using the New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder with my powder brush. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use the spoolie to brush my hair down so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the very end, I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it with my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And for my eyes, I'm first cleaning up underneath my brows with my PAC Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and I'm setting it with my New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. I'm applying some sticky tape at the corner of my eyes to get those straight edges. To warm up my crease, I'm dipping into this very pretty dusty rose sort of a shade Karma from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm blending it with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To deepen my crease line even more, I am depositing the same shade Karma in my crease line with my PAC brush in the style 126, and I am blending it with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lids, I'm dipping into this shimmery shade Galaxy from Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and to neat out my edges, I'm using my flat short shader brush. This one's from a drugstore, so unfortunately it has no name on it. And I'm drawing out a small wing in my outer corner using this deep mauvey shade Vortex from Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette with my angular brush, and I'm keeping it in my outer corner only as I have hooded eyes, and lining my entire lid will take all the space of my lid, which I don't want. To brighten my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm dipping into this Super Moon shade with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Next, I'm smoking out my lower lash line with the same shade Karma with my PAC brush in the style 126. I'm lining the outer half of my lower lash line using the shade Vortex from Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my smaller angular brush. And for my waterline, I'm using this Bite Liner by Flamour. For lipstick, I'll be applying Make Me Mine by Faces Canada. It's a very pretty new rosy shade, and I'm topping it with this nude peachy shade Tease. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be spraying some PAC Prep and Prime spray. This will not only melt down those powders but also make your makeup long lasting. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm using my favorite lashes by MAC in the style 07. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with this gorgeous suit and some traditional dangles. I love how simple, refreshing and subtle this look is. Perfect for the upcoming festival of Raksha Bandhan. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. In case you're wondering about these curls, I've left a link to its tutorial in the I button and in the description box, along with all my product information and my socials in case you want to follow me there. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.